the late 70s there was a boom, and we were looking at doing something a little bit different, and so started buying our own tiles in bulk. We just felt that there was a gap in the industry and that it was just a different concept about no frills, so that people were getting what they paid for their product. They weren't paying for all the extras.
It's just a family business. Nothing flashy about it, and we got on well with the local people.
A few years ago came the opportunity to take it over. Mum and Dad wanted to step back, and I didn't want to regret the opportunity, so I knew what to do already, I guess.
We never pressured them to come in. It was something that they chose to, and it's just, we couldn't be more proud of the way they've taken the business.
You know, I want to do the right thing by Mum and Dad, and you know, they've worked so hard, so many hours, put so much into it. I've seen all the blood, sweat and tears. So yeah, it's a huge responsibility, and I probably put a lot more of that on myself.
They're new, fresh ideas that have come in, and the enthusiasm, yeah, we're really proud.
I guess it's Tile Warehouse, like it's our logo, it's who we are. Makes us different from everyone else. Every day we drive it in and out. It's iconic, a lot of people know about it. There's so many signs out the front. At least the 1930s truck is something a little bit different.
Talk to people, they might know the name of the business, but they know the old blue truck.
We're also attached to it, it's part of the family. But yeah, it's been around for a long time, very long time.